Hello everyone, today we are going to make this. For example, in a symbiotic relationship called mycorrhiza, fungi live inside plant roots. The plant gives the fungi food in the form of carbohydrate, and fungi gives the plant important nutrient like phosphorus. Alright, in case you didn't notice how amazing this is, let me tell you. 1. The picture is 3D. 2. The 3D picture is moving. 3. The moving image matches what my arrow aka the talking head is talking about. 4. You only need 3 tools to make this, and all 3 of them have free version. 5. Once you learn how to do it, you can make unique footage for all of your videos for almost any topics. So if you want to learn how to do it, bear with me. Today's video will be a little bit different because I'm going to show you how I make footage for my video using AI. Traditionally, content creators prepare their B-roll using one of the following ways. 1. Shoot it yourself. 2. Stock footage. 3. Images. All 3 of them have their own problems. Shooting it yourself is time-consuming and technically challenging. Stock footages are not unique, and sometimes it's hard to find one matching your narrative, especially when your topic's too specific. Using still images is kind of boring, and you still need to find no copyright images or purchase a license to use them. Until now. Today, to make AI-generated moving picture for your B-rolls, you only need the following 3 tools. 1. Midjourney or other AI image generating tool of your choice. 2. Leiapix Converter. 3. Video editor of your choice. So let's get started. Alright, first step, go into your video editing software of your choice. I use Final Cut Pro. You can use other tool that you like. I have one arrow for today's demo. This is what it is. For example, in a symbiotic relationship called mycorrhiza, fungi live inside plant roots. The plant gives the fungi food in the form of carbohydrate, and fungi gives the plant important nutrient like phosphorus. Alright, here's step 2. Think about what kind of image makes sense to complement your arrow. So in this example, we are talking about mycorrhiza, which is a symbiotic relationship between plant and fungi. So you probably want some image with fungi, especially fungi around the plant or under a tree, etc, etc. So think about it. Think about what kind of image you might need. And then step 3, you head to the midjourney. So let me show you what I originally used. My really prompt is mycorrhiza, and you can see that it's not exactly talking about, the image is not exactly describing what my arrow is speaking about. Sometimes you need to change your prompt a little bit. So you kind of describing what mycorrhiza is, right? So I use another prompt called colorful mushroom under a big tree. So it kind of describing what mycorrhiza is, which is a symbiotic relationship between mushroom and plant, and they kind of giving each other nutrient and things. One thing that I want you to pay attention is make sure you include the aspect ratio. So for HD YouTube video, it's usually 16:9. And if you are making YouTube short, it's 9:16. What? So they're just flipped? Yes, you only think short is longer because of the vertical horizontal illusion, which is a tendency for observer to overestimate the length of a vertical object relative to a horizontal object for the same length. Anyway, you go to those images and make sure you download it, save image as, obviously, and let's do it on desktop for now, because it's just a demo. And then you go to Leiapix, and you just click this, and you upload, obviously. This is the URL you should go to, which is convert.leiapix.com, and you need to do like all kind of side things when you first time use it. They'll convert your 2D image into 3D deep math animation, which is look quite nice. Look at this. Some people will say it's 2.5D, not 3D. I used to work around and telling people tomato is fruit, not vegetable. That's why I don't have any friend in high school. Alright, so now you can download it. Alright, after you hit the share button, you for videos purpose, you hit save as MP4, because that is the file you usually use when you make a video. Alright, that's called the demo mushroom, and save. Alright, so now you head back to your video editor and obviously import it. Where is it? Demo mushroom. Alright? So before you start use it as your footage, make sure you do one thing. You right click and you click transcode media. So what they do is that they will kind of create a proxy. It's a little bit technical, so basically just make it more workable, so they don't have to like totally render it when you editing it. If you didn't do this step, they will give you a lot of trouble when you try to export. So just make sure you do it, okay? And they will start transcoded. You can start free to use it. Now you can use it as any kind of footage, right? And use the transition that you that you like. So for example, you can just do it things like this, and you include the transition, and
for example, in
like
a
this.
symbiotic relationship called mycorrhiza, fungi live inside plant roots. The plants give...
Alright, so that is today's videos. I hope this is helpful. And let me know if you have any question. I will reply to any comment if I happen to know how to troubleshoot. If you like my content, you can subscribe to my channel. I usually do not do tutorial like this. I usually talk about a very trivial topic that decent amount of people care about. I would say decent amount of people. Anyway, hope you enjoying the video. Bye!